Hey y'all, happy Saturday. If you are not making this anti-aging coffee, girl, then get into it, okay? Because y'all, these 40s have me just doing research and having fun with it, taking excellent care of myself. Let me get into why this coffee is amazing. Number one, the main benefit is that I like to fast for as long as possible. That in itself is anti-aging. If you do any research on intermittent fasting, then you know that one of the key benefits, in addition to helping you manage your weight, is the anti-aging benefits. This is about intermittent fasting in the sense that sometimes you need something to help you with that fast, and this coffee is one of them. Sometimes it's a little bit harder, but if I have this cup of coffee, this will help me stretch. Let me tell you about everything that's in here. Guys, organic coffee contains chlorogenic acid, which slows down the cellular aging process, according to Dr. William Lee. And then according to Dr. Berg, recent study shows that coffee can decrease dementia and Alzheimer's. It lowers blood sugar. It's an anti-inflammatory with liver protection, anti-cancer properties, and polyphenols that promote microbiome health, gut health, and better digestion. MCT oil promotes fat absorption. It's an anti-inflammatory that lowers blood sugar, reduces hunger, and is packed with antioxidants. Hydrolyzed bovine collagen is anti-aging, promoting skin elasticity, fighting against lines and wrinkles, improving bone and joint health, overall body composition. And you guys saw me also add in here some grass-fed organic half and half, which contains omega-3s that helps your heart to function better, cleans your blood, and contains CLAs that help you to burn more fat. Yeah.
You heard transplant with them.
Yeah. No, the couple of people that I went out with just on dates, like random, like friends, people who I had friends on.
How easy or hard is it
To put a person in the friend zone?
to let them know that, hey, look, this is not going to be anything
For me, it's easy.
really. You just established you just established from the beginning.
Thank you so much. Yeah, in my mind, I'll be like, why they don't know they already in the friend zone? We can't really hold conversation and we can't really vibe, and the person doesn't really seem interested in me. They're just more interested in, oh, she looked pretty, or they want to smash or whatever, but it's not like any depth. I can't make the connection.
Have you run into a lot of that?
I haven't done a whole lot of dating.
Yeah, that's right.
Hello guys, listen, I am so sorry because I forgot to show you guys my outfit that I wore, but as you can see, tonight is Friday night and I had a date tonight, which is always fun. We went out for some vegan food and it was very enjoyable. What I initially thought I was gonna wear, it looks good in my head, but then when I put it on, I'm like, I wasn't quite feeling it. And you know, when you have a first date, you gotta come with the, you know, the good impressions, and I wanted to, you know, just make sure everything was flattering. But definitely just enjoying the winter season. And yeah, things are, 2025 is starting off pretty well, I must say. So I'm happy and I'm excited about that. This is the makeup look for today. I decided to go just a nice little light beat. And I'm happy with the lip today. And this is actually a Maybelline lipstick. And the color is 435 Plum Perfect. And it is a perfect plum. I really like it. Oh, and I am going to wear a coat. It is like 30 something degrees outside last time I checked. And carrying the Goyard and this wool coat that I got from Express. Actually, I want to say 2 years ago. And I love it because it's just a perfect blue color. But yep, that's the look. And I will see you guys later.
Yeah. They be asking about it. I'm like, never heard. Okay.
And you said Thomas Cosmalo?
Have a lot of oil concentration.
It's not strong, but it's natural.
The only rule is you have to keep your focus on that crazy, on that dry cranberry, okay? So if your mind starts to think about, doesn't matter what your mind thinks about, doesn't matter. Just don't take your eyes off of the dry cranberry, okay? So when I say go, go.
Clear your mind.
You guys know I have my storage and I have a lot of things in storage, and I need to go there and get some things, but I wanted to go ahead and start setting up my coffee table as a starting point. I got this gorgeous tray from Marshall's, I think back in October. Per usual, I'm always gonna put some coffee table books. So I have one coffee table book and 2 Restoration Hardware magazines. And so I'm gonna sit that right here. You guys already know I keep it very, very simple. If I have guests, we're definitely gonna have our drinks and things like this on this table with coasters. This piece you guys have seen plenty of times. I got this from Home Goods last year around the holiday season. It is a pillar candle holder. So I'm going to put that here. They're going right here. And then I have this little chain decor, kind of to fill in this kind of dead space over here. It's Aldi candles. They smell really good for $4.44. This I got from, I think, Home Goods or somewhere last year, so $16.99. I love it. Very, very gorgeous piece. I haven't gone to storage yet. I have these here already, and I love these 2 candlesticks. I'm like, why not? But yeah, these are $5.99. I have 2 of them, 2 marble tea light candle holders. These are gorgeous, and they just add just the right little touch. So I'm gonna put that there. And last but not least, this little candle snuffer. But as always, guys, remember, home is where you fill your cup. Make it pretty so it's filled with love. And I will see you the next time I pick up this camera.